Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.